Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. Clickbank's one of the best product and how you are going to promote is what is going to be discussed in this video. I'll be showing you one of the best product which you can promote in 2020 and really make a very good money promoting it, because most of the things which you require to promote one of the product is already provided in that product, and I'm going to reveal to you, and even I'm going to tell you how you can promote that product. This is really interesting, this is really easy, so watch this video till the end. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, make money online as well as online business, then subscribe to my channel Moneymaker001. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. So here just go to Clickbank, and go to marketplace. After going to marketplace, you can find this category which is known as e-business and e-marketing. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, I definitely recommend you to just go and search Clickbank on Google and just create one account. It is very easy, and to create one of the account, all you have to do is provide some of your bank details as well as details about yourself, and you can get a Clickbank account. It is very easy. So the product which we are going to promote is known as Scribble. Scribble is one of the new product which is launched on Clickbank, and it is super duper hot. You can see its gravity is 115. I'm going to promote this product for this month, in January. Still I have not started promoting this product, so you can see my stats are 0 over here, but I am going to tell you that how you can promote this product. I am also going to promote this product. So now let's see what we get in the JV page of this product. So now I have opened the JV page of this product, and you can see over here you just have to enter your name as well as your email to get the affiliate tools. So now I have entered it, and you can see that here are some of the best tools available on Clickbank. One of the best product to promote, because you get super duper amount of tools. Now see, I will show you some of the best tools which you get in this product to promote. That's the reason why this product is selling like hotcakes, because it has provided you with almost each and every tool which you require to promote this product. Now let me show you the first tool which you can utilize. See this Scribble demo video. What you can do, you can just download this video, create a new YouTube channel, upload it to it. So this is the first tool which you can utilize. You see, it is already a professionally created video. You don't need to use softwares like Content Samurai or anything, because everything is given over here. See this, I can even play this video, and you can see this is a professionally created beautiful video which you can upload to your YouTube channel and provide the link in the description of this product. So this is the first video which you can download, and there are more videos, even more interesting ones, which I'm going to show you over here. So see, as you scroll downwards, you find many of the other things which are available. And see, here is also one of the videos. See all these awesome videos, and you can see there are some of the email swipes which are available, as well as you have pre-written article reviews. What you have to do is just copy all these articles, go to a software like Content Samurai, and then you can create simple videos utilizing these articles. So this is also one of the things which you can do if you want to, but if you don't want to do, you can simply just download those videos and just copy and paste. Now if you want to share this in Facebook groups, you can join Facebook groups which are related to books as well as ebooks. And you can just see this. There are 20 of the Facebook posts which they have already provided to you. All you need to do is just copy this Facebook post and promote it, and get your affiliate link and promote this via this Facebook post. See, 20 of the posts. None of the product is there which provides you this much things to promote it. We have free methods, so you are getting all this value in this product as well, providing all this value, as well as these are some of the pre-written templates which you can utilize to create your Facebook post, which is really awesome. Not all the products provide this much amount of things. You can see here, if you want to promote it on Twitter, you also get ready-made post for Twitter. All you have to do is just take this post, go to your Twitter account, post it, and just get the affiliate link and just start promoting this product. This is really easy because you are getting almost all the things. Email swipes are available, and one of the best thing is that, see, here you can find Scribble demo video. This is also one of the video which you can upload to your YouTube channel, as well as the best video which I am going to tell you is that product review of this. Okay, so you can just upload this product review of this product directly to your YouTube channel. No need to do any other thing. Directly just go and download this video over here and go and upload it to your YouTube channel. Even many of you may ask that how can I get the keywords? So don't worry, they have already provided with you with the keywords to promote this product. This is the reason why this product is so much converting and so much selling very high, because they have provided each and every tool which they can to make this product really awesome. They have made this product really awesome, as well as they have provided absolutely best tools for the affiliate so that they can promote this product really absolutely very good. So this is one of the best product which I highly recommend to promote in 2020. If you are going to, even though if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing, you can definitely promote this product and start making very much amount of money. If you haven't got any sales in the Clickbank or are new to affiliate marketing, are waiting for your first sale, then this is the one of the product which you should go after. And I can definitely recommend you that if you plan to promote this product for a week, you are definitely going to earn your first commission on Clickbank, and that is going to be one of the best thing which will happen in your life, because this was the first thing. The best thing which happened in my life was when I got my first Clickbank sale. So this is really awesome product which I definitely recommend to you. You can promote it via Facebook, you can promote it via YouTube, you can promote it using Twitter and all the stuff. You even don't need to write the post for Facebook or Twitter. It is already given. You don't need to create a video for YouTube. It is already given. All you have to do is just take the video, upload it to your channel, take the posts and post it on Facebook as well as Twitter. That's really awesome. That's really easy. This is one of the best product. If you like my video, just press the like button as well as the subscribe button, because I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. And if you are really interested in this type of stuff, just check out my channel. I have got a ton of videos which are related to this topics, and they will also teach you how to make money online. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.